If you no longer wish to use Perplexity, then you can always delete your account. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Perplexity account, and I will show you what would happen or what are the consequences after deleting the account. Now, what you need to do is that you have to open Perplexity and then navigate to the settings page right here at the bottom, the gear icon. And here under the account setting, you want to scroll down, and under the delete account section, you can click learn more. And then you will be prompted by this message saying you that your profile details, preferences, settings, and history, threads, and perhaps Perplexity pages that you have created would be removed permanently. And again, this is permanent, so if you are clicking confirm, then there's no way you can get your account back. So make sure that this is the right move for you. And when you understand this, then you can click confirm, and what will happen is it's going to lock you out from the account, and now you cannot sign in to Perplexity again. Everything will be deleted in the next 30 days. So that's how you can delete your Perplexity account.